Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Tab-delimited files are a common way to store data where each line represents a record, and the fields within each record are separated by tabs. In Python, you can easily read tab-delimited files using the built-in CSV module. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to read tab-delimited files in Python. 1. Import the CSV module. The CSV module in Python provides functionality to read and write tabular data in CSV format. 2. Open the tab-delimited file. Use the open function to open the tab-delimited file in read mode. 3. Create a CSV reader object. Use csv.reader to create a reader object that will iterate over lines in the file and split them into fields based on tabs. 4. Iterate over the rows. Use a for loop to iterate over the rows in the file and process the data as needed. 5. Close the file. Make sure to close the file after reading it. Here is an example code snippet that demonstrates how to read a tab-delimited file named data.tsv. In this example, we open the data.tsv file, create a CSV reader object with tab delimiter specified, and then iterate over each row in the file. For each row, we print the data, but you can perform any required processing or analysis within the loop. Remember to adjust the file path and any data processing logic based on your specific requirements when working with tab-delimited files in Python.